say she dey speak Yoruba, but I would tell her the little one where I understand for wetin she dey talk. You know, because she don't already talk and finish. You see this life, if you know say you know dey comfortable with the place where you dey, I go advise you make you change location. And if you notice say maybe somebody dey pursue you, why can't you go and report? Okay, now Mohammed mother dey talk say Mohammed go report this stuff to police people 2 times and they no do anything. Is very, very bad. And this guy is a celebrity. Maybe say they supposed to care for him. They supposed to look anything when he complain, say, if they not even supposed to allow mosquito to bite him. Person come, carry himself, come, tell you, say somebody dey threaten him. Say somebody won't kill him. And you will not take it serious, which is very, very bad.